pretty cool. Mud volcano.
Maybe. And it all happened at once.
Little mud volcanoes. Oh, you can't see the little tiny one there?
You can't really see no water in it, but you can hear it burp once in a while.
Oh, that one you can hear really good. This one.
This one's spitting it all.
Yeah, it looks like you could use that as clay.
You could. Exactly.
Come on, spit out another big wad. I'm trying to catch it on a video.
Yeah, you could make fire brick out of that stuff.
Mud volcanoes.
Mud muffins.
Oh, and then these little water ones are just boiling. Yeah. Oh, that little one's really going to town over there.
Look at this little dried up creek. It looks like there were like hundreds of them.
Something must have been flowing from
little.
I didn't even notice the one up there.
Little holes like
that. That must spew out sometimes.
Right.
That one up here.
Yeah.
And this whole little creek just comes from that dragon's mouth thing.
Yep. Absolutely.
All right, that's enough mud volcano.